I thought I thought it was great. I really like Legos.
Built a Lego ramp so that he could get down one of the steps at his house to get outside, making it easier for him to just go down the ramp. And we built it out of just Legos and glue.
I'm going to use it to go down, or when I go outside.
It's really cool to see how happy he is and to know that we make a difference in his life and we're making something easier, and he really enjoys it and he's really excited about it, and that's really cool to be a part of that and to have gotten to make that for him.
This is what I imagined, that it would look like a bunch of Legos and they're on a metal rod with Mario sticker.
Just to be able to show kindness to him and eventually see his reaction, and also learning math and putting that into engineering to make this ramp as safe as possible and as efficient as possible is something that we also can do.
Never give up your dream, just like I did on being an engineer. Thank you.